Play is good for the mind, the body, and the soul. Play is our business. It's part of our name. With the help of gaming company Spilsbury, here are the top 10 most playful cities in the U.S. for children. The list averages in the number of public parks and playgrounds, theme parks and fairs, museums, gaming and toy stores, even arcades. You know, fun stuff. Number 10 on our list, Orlando, Florida. They have more than a few theme and water parks. In fact, Orlando calls itself the theme park capital of the world. With Disney, Universal, SeaWorld, and more, it's hard to argue. The weather helps, more outdoor time, and it's become a haven for youth sports and tournaments. Number 9, Cincinnati, Ohio. This old river city has riverboat rides, one of the country's oldest baseball teams, the Reds, and boasts one of the oldest and best zoos and botanical gardens in the country. The Cincinnati Museum Center has a wealth of various exhibits and museums under one roof at the old Union Terminal. Kings Island Amusement Park in nearby Mason has coasters and rides galore. Indianapolis, Indiana speeds in at number 8. The Indianapolis Motor Speedway includes a museum and rides on the famous track when there's not a race. The downtown canal is a haven for walking, concerts, and boat rides. Nearby, the Indianapolis Zoo includes immersive chimpanzee and orangutan habitats. The Children's Museum of Indianapolis is the largest children's museum in the world. Just up the road, Chicago, Illinois comes in at number 7. It's a big city with a big menu of kid-friendly destinations. Navy Pier, Shedd Aquarium, several lakefront parks, including Millennium Park, Cloud Gate, river walks and cruises, and a major zoo. There are several world-famous museums like the Field and the Science and Industry Museums. And don't forget the Chicago Cubs. Many attractions are within walking distance of each other. Number 6 is Phoenix, Arizona. It makes the most of its mountains and desert environment with amazing views and hiking. The Desert Botanical Gardens offers great vistas and the world's largest collection of desert plants and trees you won't see anywhere else. Encanto Park is one of the country's top city parks with classic rides. Several water parks, including Six Flags, offer great ways to get wet and chill out. Nashville, Tennessee is number 5 on the most playful list. It's a haven for all kinds of music, especially country, of course. Kid-friendly options include the Opryland Garden Conservatory, 9 acres of lavish indoor gardens with soaring atriums, waterways with boat rides, and 50,000 tropical plants. The Nashville Zoo boasts immersive animal habitats, and kids can fly like a bird at the zoo's Soaring Eagle zip line. Number 4 is Denver, Colorado. That first trip to the ski slopes could be as close as 50 minutes west of downtown. In warmer months, they offer great exploring and jaw-dropping views. The Denver City Park area includes an impressive regional park, the Denver Zoo, and the Museum of Nature and Science. Elitch Gardens is a 130-year-old theme and water park in the heart of the city. Los Angeles, California is number 3 on the list. Mountains and beaches offer miles and a myriad of outdoor activities. Children can play in the fountain at Grand Park in downtown L.A. La Brea Tar Pits and Museum is a real blast from the past. Griffith Observatory will have them seeing stars, so will the Hollywood Walk of Fame. There are more than a few impressive theme parks here: Legoland, Universal Studios, Six Flags, and someplace called Disneyland. Miami, Florida is number 2. Beaches, boats, and the Atlantic Ocean offer a variety of outdoor activities. Jungle Island in the heart of Miami is an intimate eco-adventure park with an immersive real-life jungle experience, including exotic animals, plants, treetop adventures, streams, and waterfalls. Zoo Miami has thousands of animals, many of them endangered. The Miami Seaquarium is a marine life entertainment park that includes Dolphin Harbor. The most playful city in America is San Jose, California. Cloaked in sun, surrounded by sweeping hills, and close to the Pacific, the city boasts 224 public parks. Happy Hollow Park and Zoo is a longtime favorite for young families. California's Great America Amusement Park has more than 60 rides and roller coasters. The Tech Interactive is a family-friendly science and technology center downtown, offering hands-on experimental labs and design challenges. From big cities to neighborhood playgrounds, play is our namesake.
Oh my God!